Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will work with several free objects: AddThis, AddToAny Sticky, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. As you can see, I add title and description for each page. Let's see them. Here is title, description, and for this page and for other pages. You need to do this for social sharing. When someone clicks on share button on your site, this title and description will appear in his or her social media pages. Also, pay attention on general options, website image. Here we can see my picture. This is picture for Open Graph Protocol. It will appear in all posts when some of your users will share your site pages on their social medias. So let's start with AddThis. We will work with these objects. With this and these objects we already work in previous lessons. For now, Google Plus is closed, so with this object we won't work. Let's start with AddThis. Let's see our page. I add some text, image, title. Let's place AddThis object here and see the settings. We have several styles. I'll choose first one. Here we can leave username Incomedia, but I won't do that, and I suggest you to register on AddThis. I already registered here. If you insert username, or better insert ID, you will receive some statistic about shares, followers, and so on. Let's create an account, profile. Just click Add Profile, specify name. Here you can see the name and ID. Let's copy name and insert it here. If it won't work, if statistic won't show up in your AddThis account, then change it to ID. I leave like this and export site to the internet. Now let's see our site. Online, I have uploaded to my test hosting. Let's see our page. Here is our article and here is our share buttons. Let's share it. As you can see, I have image, title, and description. Let's see one more time. This is the image. This is title, test 1, and this is description. If someone share, the post will be look like this. Let's add another share buttons, AddToAny Sticky. There are much more settings. We have orientation horizontal and vertical. Let's leave vertical. We can change the position. I prefer middle left. We can change the size of icons. Let's leave them medium. We can change the color. Or use original colors. We can change background. We can enable counter or leave without it. Let's see the preview. Here is our share buttons. We can click more and search for other social medias. And here is our buttons. We can share this page. And here is our image, title and description. Let's use another object, Facbook. There are several types. Comment box. I prefer to not use this comment box. I prefer to use integration with the help of code, so I won't show it how it works here. Let's check page plugin. Here you can insert profile URL, change the language of the page. I mean this widget. Set high and wide. Choose show faces or not, show posts or not. Hide cover photo. Use small header. Or just leave like this. Let's insert another object, Facbook, but change subject to like button. Here you need to insert your website URL, change language. You can change style. You can change like to recommendation and show share button. Here is our page and here is our objects. We can like this page. This is my profile and share it. Pay attention to our title and description. As you can see, for Facebook, we have this title and this description, but here we can see another description. Let's see it here. This is main description of the website. Here it is. And entry page. If I enter the main address of my site, domain, I will see entry page and its title, entry page. This happens because here in the options I enter website URL. This is the main page of my site. Now let's copy this URL insert it here and check one more. I upload my site to internet and now let's check it one more time. Let's click share and now we can see our title and description from this page. Let's see next object. We can enable share, follow company, user profile, company profile. So let's check this one. Just share. Here is our page. Let's refresh it. And here is our share button. As you can see, we've got our image here, so we can share this page in our profile. Let's work with another object. This is Pinterest. Here we can see different types called subject, follow, save, pin, board, and account. Let's see. Save. Let's change website URL. Image. Some description. Let's show large button. We can use round button. We can show pin counter. Let's leave without pin counter and use this object but with pin box. Let's go to my account. Here is some pins. Let's copy this URL and insert it here. Let's make it, for example, big. We can hide description, but I'll leave it. Here we can see our test browser. Here is our pin. Here is our save button. We will test it later. Let's use this object one more time. Box board. Here is my board. We can copy URL and insert it here. One more example. Box account. Here is my account URL. I insert just username. And now let's export our site. Here you can see our web page on hosting. Here is our save button, pin box, board box, and account box. As you can see, we have our description. Let's see it one more time. Description, our image, so we can pin it. And now let's see the last one object is Twitter. Here we can see share button, tweet button, we can use follow button. Let's copy our URL. You can change the language, you can change style, you can set description. Also, let's use it one more time. For now, it will be follow button. Here is my account. This is my username, or here it is. Just copy it and insert here. Now let's see our test page. Here is follow button and here is share button. Here we can see our description. We add it here. So we can tweet this page and your users can follow you in Twitter. In the next video, we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you in site creation.